Go. One in each dot, two in that target, mag change, build it. Okay. Shooter, are you ready? Ready. Stand by. Go. Ready. Go. Shooter, are you ready? Ready. Stand by. Go. Stand by. Go. Stand by. Go. Go. Ready. Stand by. Go. Stand by. Go. You think that one's enough on the line to county or no count?
I'd say count.
Okay. Shooter, are you ready?
Ready.
Stand by. Go.
So to wrap this up, we went ahead and scored these. We took our time and divided it by the amount of hits to get a score here. It just makes it easier to track your progress if you create a metric for yourself that just always is the same, and you can watch your numbers shrink or grow with sessions. So with that being said, once again, magazine capacity really made a big difference here. As you can see, I shot some of my stages with a mag change, and some of them I shot without a mag change, and the mag change stages are significantly slower. Single stack 1911. Today, Sadie was having some some pull low into the left, and so we're gonna pull some dry fire drills in the next probably week or so, and we'll shoot this again in a couple weeks after some practice. But the reason I did this was just to set up an imaginary scenario, where a person would have 3 assailants, and by the time you reach your 3rd assailant, that person might be charging. And if that person's charging you, then you're going to want to basically just run a build drill. You just unload 5. So that's exactly why this particular drill, with the 5 dots, dot drill, and then 2 in the next assailant, and then a build drill in the final assailant. And I feel like it's a pretty good metric of measurement to see how your progress is going, and to see how you do it. It kind of mixes in a tiny bit of precision in with your time trial and the pressure, and there is a penalty for your lack of accuracy. But even with a lack of accuracy, it's not like any of our shots on the dot drill were really off the paper. So it's a forgiving drill that's fun to run, and really good practice, and potentially life-saving practice for a real-world scenario. So hope this helps you guys out, and I hope you can practice it and maybe post your own scores, and happy training.